Meet the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a compact powerhouse featuring a robust 1-inch CMOS sensor for unparalleled imaging in the palm of your hand. Boasting a full pixel fast focusing, 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, and full pixel fast focusing, this device offers precise control, whether held horizontally or vertically. Capture every nuance in stunning detail with 4K 120fps, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, and intelligent features tailored for any adventure. Night shots are a visual delight, displaying low-light scenes with clarity and authentic colors. For professional creators, the 10-bit D-Log M and 10-bit HLG color modes deliver high dynamic range and vivid details. Compact and flexible, the Pocket 3 fits easily in your palm or pocket, ensuring you're always prepared to capture memorable moments. Active Track 6.0 introduces face auto detect and dynamic framing for smooth cinematic footage with single-handed ease. Experience cutting-edge handheld videography with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, where innovation meets precision. Subscribe for more tech insights and elevate your content creation journey.